So we want to talk about the reciprocal of a number. The reciprocal of a number. Now, the reciprocal of a number is the number itself under 1. Or we can say the reciprocal of a number is 1 divided by that number. So hence the reciprocal of 3, we're saying that it is 1 divided by that number. So you're going to say 1 over 3. Sometimes the reciprocal of a number can also be given like this. This may mean inverse of 3, or this can also mean reciprocal, and hence this can be written like this. In another situation, it may not always be the reciprocal of a whole number. It means that we can even have a fraction. Like for instance, you can have 2 over 7, and if they ask you to write the reciprocal of 2 over 7, it means that this can be 2 over 7. Reciprocal of 2 over 7 can mean something like this, and as a result it means you are now inverting, and in removing that negative you are inverting, and then it becomes 7 over 2, and this is the reciprocal. So if they are now saying a reciprocal of 2 over 7, reciprocal of 2 over 7 would mean that this number appears like this, more of like an inversion of the number. So hence that's what we mean by reciprocal of a number. So for instance, if you have a whole number like this, the reciprocal is 1 divided by that number, and hence it can also be shown in this particular format. This can appear like 3 to the power negative 1, or which you soon understand in law of indices, and then this is 1 over 3, meaning that this is the reciprocal of 1 over 3. Now still on that, they can even ask you to find the reciprocal of 1 over 3, and again the inversion is 3 over 1. So hence when you're asked to find the reciprocal of a number, you're inverting the number. Another situation, for instance, we can have something like this. They can say reciprocal of 25. So all you have to do now is to just say 25 over 1 at first, and then what you do, you can then now invert, and hence 1 over 25 is the reciprocal of 25.